Hi everyone, it's Lehman with Lace Covered Skies. Today I have another unboxing video from Your Creative Studio. This time I actually did not take a peek first, so I am super excited to see what's inside. I've been amassing a collection of these types of stationery collaging type items, and can't wait to see what's going to be added today. So this is the December box. We're not in December, but this one is the December box. So I am going to go ahead and open it. Your Creative Studio is, all of their information will be linked down below. And this is a monthly subscription box. So if you guys are interested, please check the link down below in my description box. All right, so let's see what's inside. I almost tried looking this box up because I was curious to see what's inside, but I resisted. So let's see together. Okay, so here it is, their logo right there. And this pretty yellow paper, I think it's different. I'm not sure, the print is different each time, but I saved this because you could definitely do something with this. And I see some pretty things already. So they always include a cute little thank you card. Right. Okay, first thing I see is this adorable box. It's like a tin box, and it's so cute. It's like a vintage themed print with different little things, like little vintagey things here. And it just opens up like this. So there's no fastener, but when it opens, it just holds on its own, if that makes sense. So I think this is super cute. I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna put in there. All right, now these look like they're journal tabs. So let's see. So I think it's no, it's a card. Yeah, it's a little piece of cardstock that you fold over anything and it just becomes a tab. That's super useful because it's already made. So you can just take it, maybe ink it up and add it to your journal or even your planners, or like for school or work or something. That would work. All right, this and these are the types of things I've been wanting more of for backgrounds and stuff. Okay, let's go this way. So it's kind of like postage type, vintagey, postagey type images. And this is great for backgrounds. So I'm definitely going to be able to use that. I don't have that many background type cards and images and stuff. All right, let's see this. I think this is washi tape. I think I'm going to use my letter opener if I can find it to open this. Okay, this looks like a really pretty blue. Yes, this one is super pretty. This can go in vintage, vintage retro, florals, grungy florals. This is really pretty. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but it just looks very like quality, the way it's printed. So love that. And I think we have a stamp here. A floral stamp. This will be useful for so many different things as well. It looks vintagey, it's botanically. So there's that one. And these, can't tell if these are stickers or not. There's round circle labels, and it seems like it might be a sticker, but I just have such a hard time. Yes, it's a sticker, so super convenient. I need round things like this in my collaging supplies, so this is going to be really useful. There's 3 different colors. So love that. And this looks like a little booklet of little botanical images. Super pretty, black and white. This is going to be good for a background too. And you could even color it. So that's super cool. Okay, this looks like another stamp. Oh, I like this shape. Again, just a very vintagey look. And you could do so many different things with this shape. Like you could put it on the side of something or on the top or the bottom. You could kind of section out a corner. I think this is going to be really useful. Yeah, I don't think I have anything in this shape. Some blue stickers. And they look really pretty. They are not transparent, but this will look good on a background. And these are sticky notes. So you could use it in journals, of course, or for collaging, but even just as a sticky note. And I always need sticky notes, so I love that. And then I think these are stickers. And it looks like there's different shapes. This will be really pretty for backgrounds. Like these could be the borders on a little collage piece. So there's a thin stickers, a thicker one, a page of thicker ones, and this half sheet. Oh, these are squares or rectangles. I love this one. I love this one. It's giving like a little bit of a vintage retro feel. All right, cool. I am needing background things, so this is going to be great for my collection. This could be used too. I really like that flower. Like this could be used in a journal or as a journaling card or something. All right, and so these are little, it's not quite cardstock, it's like stationery. And there's a few different prints. So there's this one, and this one. Again, in that light blue that we've been seeing throughout the box. This will be really good for pockets that are just like this shape already. You don't really have to cut it. You can just stick it in a pocket. And then I think this is the same thing but bigger. This is a really tight pocket. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. You guys know I save all this plastic because I love using, when I glue things, I just use this to like press down the glue. All right, yeah, so this is a little bit thicker than this, but it has that stationery feel, and it's just a really pretty pastel print. And I think because it's so, like, there's not that much detail. I mean, in like this one there's more detail, but like this or even this, you could glue an image on the front and then have the back as a journaling spot, so you don't just have like a plain card or something. I think this will work great for that. And this will work great for the background pieces that I'm talking about in my collaging. So I love that. Yeah, I think this box is really pretty. I love florals, and the florals, they're nice. They look quality, especially the tape. Where did it go? Especially the washi tape. I think that's my favorite. And I love these. And I think this is really pretty too. I just love the way these are drawn. And I love these stickers. I think this will be so pretty, just like bunched in a corner or something on a page. But yeah, so, and I love this stamp as well. But I hope you guys liked seeing what was in this box. Again, their information will be linked down below. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will talk to you next time. Bye, everyone.